Hey everyone, Jia Qi here. So today I'm going to conduct a test on my new iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is quite an old model, but it's still good in 2022. So I would like to conduct a test, and now I'm outside. I'm currently going to a piano and violin concert, which is held in the Hall of the Arts in University Science Malaysia, which is the university I'm currently studying. And yeah, let's see how the video sounds, and let's see how the phone can stand up in 2022. Okay, so got my coffee right here. So that's pretty much it for today. I'm sorry I couldn't put all of the music at once. I can only make a compilations because of, musicians, they will need some credits too. So tell me, how do you think about the sound quality as well as the recordings and the quality itself? And do you enjoy the concert compilations I make? If you guys do, be sure to drop me a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more contents and school contents and tech contents like this. And I'm Jia Qi. I'm signing off. Bye bye. Boom. Hey everyone, this is Editor Jia Qi here. So I want to take this chance to say thank you to you all for watching until here. Actually, I want to share the moment, the experience of me testing out the concert, but I don't actually know how to do it in a proper way. So I decided to involve my tech inside, and I hope you guys like this style. So thank you and have a nice day.